Please subscribe for more videos. Welcome, I'm Dr. Kamran Sandhu from Business Management and Research Channel. In today's video, you will learn about Joseph Juran's theory and 10 principles. Joseph Juran's theory. The Quality Trilogy, as it has come to be known, is the work of Joseph Juran. Quality planning, quality improvement, and quality control comprise the quality triad. All quality improvement initiatives must be carefully planned and regulated if a quality improvement project is to be effectively implemented. Juran believed that quality improvement could be broken down into 10 steps. 10 steps to quality improvement. Number 1, an awareness of the opportunities. After a week, do a pool of employees and people to determine why errors, blunders, and deviations occur. Determine ways to prevent those mistakes from happening again. Keep note of how many mistakes you are making and make sure they are diminishing. Point number 2, improve goals must be determined. So, make a list of particular objectives that must be met. Make plans to achieve your objectives. Assign unambiguous accountability for achieving the objectives, and the awards should be based on the outcomes. Point number 3, organization is required for reaching the goals. For this, you have to create quality councils, identify issues, projects to be chosen, organize teams, and identify enablers. Point number 4, training needs to be provided. Investing in education and training will always pay off in the longer run. Number 5, initialize projects. Interdepartmental or even cross-functional teams can make significant game-changing results. Take on the long-term issues to get breakthrough results. Only a few critical issues lead to breakthroughs. Number 6, monitor progress. The predicted progress and the actual progress made you have to observe. Act to enhance the operating situation in order to cut down the variations. Information on progress instills confidence in efforts aimed at improving quality. Recognize performance. It is a morale booster that if somebody is performing well, you have to recognize him. Number 8, report on results. A valuable lesson has been learned. What mistakes you have done or what not. Awareness of the strategy used as well as the opportunity to learn and grow must be highlighted. People in other places will have a better outlook if they can mimic success. Number 9, track achievements of improvement. Keep track of your progress and report on your success and failures. Repeat all above points. Thank you very much. I hope today's discussion is helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Best of luck.